The worthy causes championed by Kitui County First Lady Edith Malombe revolve around three major thematic areas of health, education, and rights empowerment of women, youth, and persons living with disabilities.
Kyeni is a Kamba word that means light. Kyeni was founded in response to the vast challenges that this beloved county of ours, Kitui, faces. Kyeni is anchored on the core values of integrity, transparency, respect, and compassion. Looking at the many things that we do undertake, it is very clear to us that most of the things are anchored on the value of compassion for our people.
These initiatives are need-driven, and the decisions to champion them were arrived at following a thorough analysis of the basic needs of the people of Kitui County. They are also in line with both the county and national government's development blueprints. Mrs. Edith Malombe was motivated by the desire to change people's lives and their communities. It was for this reason that she founded the Kyeni Foundation, through which she has been able to champion these worthy causes where thousands of Kitui residents have benefited from programs they can feel, touch, be part of, and draw pride from. In the health sector, Edith Malombe is the champion of the Beyond Zero campaign in Kitui County. The campaign is aimed at eliminating maternal and infant mortality in the country.
We do this by holding free medical aid camps, using the mobile clinics to reach the farthest of the farthest in this county where there's no access or little access to medical care, and we do cancer screening and all the other things that help alleviate the suffering of our people.
On November 11, 2014, she hosted Kenya's First Lady, Her Excellency Margaret Kenyatta. During the launch and handover of a mobile clinic at Ithokwe grounds, 533 patients benefited from various health interventions.
Huyu ninayebeba ndiye last born, ako na 8 months, 86 weeks alipimwa na akatoka negative. Kusema ukweli, huduma ya afya imetusaidia na imetuwezesha na tunafuraha kweli. Kwa hivyo nashukuru mama wa taifa kwa yale umefanya na yale utaenda kufanya.
She has since negotiated with the county government through the Ministry of Health for increased budgetary allocation for purchase of 2 extra mobile clinics and health wagons. Kitui County is on record for becoming the first county to commit funds to boost the Beyond Zero initiative in the country.
So keep it up and always track us. And you're part of our history of Beyond Zero. In this county, we have your contacts. We'll be inviting you to our functions so that you come and we show people, we showcase you as one who would be so concerned when we say you are not going to complain.
Through her collaboration with the county government, Kyeni Foundation and Beyond Zero campaign, Edith has also organized free medical camps in various parts of the county. An estimated 6,000 residents have benefited from various services offered in these camps, which include laboratory tests, treatment, deworming, child growth monitoring and nutritional counseling, antenatal clinic and family planning services, HIV/AIDS testing and counseling, cancer screening and treatment, rehabilitation services, physiotherapy, occupational therapy and orthopedics, specialized clinics for ailments such as diabetes, gynecological, pediatrics, surgical, dental, eye, ear, nose and throat, pharmaceutical services, among others.
Tukiwa pamoja naye facility wetu katika county Edith Mawia Malombe, pia naye tunamshukuru kwa kuwa tuliona ya kwamba alifanya juhudi sana kufuatilia huo mpango na kuuleta katika kaunti yetu. Pia walipoketi na kuona waanze kusunguka, wakaona watu wa Kalambani wakiwa mbali, wakaona ya kwamba huo mpango unafaa uanze huko chini. Sasa tunamshukuru pia naye sana, tukisema ya kwamba aendelee hivyo na Mungu akafikia hata kumbariki.
Through Edith, Kyeni Foundation has also secured family planning advocacy funds from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for the period March to September 2015.
We have been working very closely with the Kyeni Foundation in areas of health, and specifically in reproductive health, that is maternal, newborn and child health, including family planning areas. Kyeni Foundation is strong in advocacy, and for us has been a blessing because through Kyeni Foundation we have had some resources allocated in our budget for reproductive health. We've worked in different areas with Kyeni Foundation. For example, we have a family planning project, and then in Beyond Zero campaign. And through these two initiatives, we have seen our health indicators improve. The mothers who have gone to the clinic when pregnant for the 4th time has improved from 44.1% to 62.2%. We have also seen an improvement of mothers who are previously delivering at home. That has improved from 40.5% to 46.5%. Also, the HIV prevalence is stabilizing. We had it at 4.8% and now it has improved to 4.3%.
In education and mentorship, Edith, through her foundation, has donated shoes and books to needy primary school children in Kitui County. She's also been a source of inspiration to learners through a mentorship program. Kyeni Foundation has partnered with the Kitui County government in actualizing the mentorship of learners across the county. The foundation has also partnered with Children International Kenya and the Kitui County government to establish libraries in each of the 180 public schools, 132 primary and 48 secondary in Kitui County.
Namba mwe kisomo ni namba ili, kisomo ni namba itatu na kwa county government ya Malombe na assembly yake nikikwaila na chaila tuwasiana sionze.
So far, Kyeni Foundation and the Kitui County government have received 4 containers of books, each valued at 20 million Kenyan shillings, and over 100,000 books have already been dispersed to 180 schools in 11 wards. Through Kyeni Foundation, the County First Lady has so far distributed 19,585 shoes valued at 3,916,000 Kenyan shillings sourced from Ahadi Kenya Trust and the Kenya Red Cross Society, where Edith is a life member.
Now this year, we got the opportunity of teaming up with an organization called Kyeni Foundation, which is headed by the First Lady, Madam Malombe, and we have found that partnering very, very conducive, and it has really helped us because she has been supplementing in terms of our transport and other logistics.
The shoes distribution initiative has so far covered 11 wards, namely Ngomeni, Muumoni, Kanziko, Tharaka, Matinyani, Mutomo, Mbitini, Kiangwethia West, Nzambani, Nu and Mwingi Central.
This is done in the education sector by realizing that a human being is a tripartite being. They have the body, they have the soul, they have the mind. And so in Kyeni, we believe in addressing all those by giving books for the mind, shoes, sanitary towels to take care of the body, and then we do mentoring and counseling, which is for the soul.
I will stand in front of on behalf of my fellow people, thanking Excellency Edith Malombe for he has donated shoes and books to us. So I just ask God to bless her. Thank you.
On rights empowerment for youth, women and marginalized groups, Edith mentors young women who in return partner with the Kyeni Foundation in the mentorship of school children, both boys and girls.
When you're given a chance to mentor, particularly young people, it is an occasion such as this to evaluate what kind of an impact you have had on a life.
Edith has also helped build the capacity of women groups for wealth creation and development. She has met various women groups where she has encouraged them to save their meager earnings alongside participating in income-generating activities to improve their livelihoods.
We do this by doing advocacy to women groups. And this is with a view to carrying them with our vision and seeing that they better their lot socially and economically.
With gender-based violence still at alarming rates in most parts of the country, Edith has been vocal in the advocacy against retrogressive cultures and traditions in Kitui County, like early marriages and female genital mutilation (FGM) of the girl child, which is still prevalent in some parts of Mwingi North. The vice is, however, meted secretly without the knowledge of the authorities.
Kirira ni shirika ambalo linapigana na tohara ya watoto wasichana. Tunapinga tohara ya watoto wasichana, tunawasaidia watoto ambao hawana makao na watoto ambao hawana wazazi. Wazazi wamefariki, watoto wamebaki katika hali ambayo ni ngumu. Sasa tunawasaidia wakapate kuweza kuwa na makao na wakapate kuweza kuishi maisha kama watoto wengine wangependa kuishi.
She has time and again pledged her commitment in this war. As the health champion in the county First Lady partners with various stakeholders to ensure that girls' health, well-being as well as their futures are safeguarded from these crimes and other harmful, dangerous cultural practices.
My organization is called Mama na Watoto, and that explains everything in 3 words. The project we want to do is a kind of mobile clinic. We want to go to the villages, to the people in the villages, to offer maternal health care and to start campaigns against female genital mutilation.
And to support needy schoolgirls from remote areas during their monthly periods, Edith, through the Kyeni Foundation, seeks individual and corporate donations of sanitary towels and other basic necessities, which she then donates to these girls. Each receives a 1-year pack with 4 pants and soap. By so doing, girls who had reported absenteeism from school owing to lack of sanitary towels during their menses are able to attend class and learn shamelessly.
At this juncture, I would like to appeal to like-minded people to come, the people that buy into our ideals, because we think it's a good thing to lift other people along with you to better their lot and to leave a legacy saying that you made one person, you impacted the life of one person. So we appeal to everybody to come, corporate, individual, and just see what we can do for these beloved people of Kitui County. And we would like to thank people that have already bought into our vision. We have Red Cross, we have a Hardy Trust, Children International, the Melinda Gates Foundation that is so critical in doing family planning programs with us. And so we say, come one, come all. This is our county. We love our people and we should do something to just see them, to put smiles into their lives.